Today we're going to be replacing the battery in a DSC NEO PG9954 wireless door window contact. To do this, first thing you're going to do is open up the sensor by inserting a screwdriver in the bottom here where there's a little slot. The cover will pop off. Then you're going to remove the screw. Just open it up, and it's a Phillips screw, so you just open the screw up. Screw will stay intact because it has like a little tab on there to keep it from falling out. Once you've done that, take the cover off. You're going to remove the battery like so. You're going to take the new battery. The top goes where the plus sign is. You'll see the sensor blink. That means the battery was installed correctly. Place the cover on. You'll see the sensor blink again. Install the protective cover over the screwdriver, and then when you open and close the door, this sensor should blink green, indicating that you've installed the system correctly and it's re-enrolled on your alarm.